Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see how to find all pairs of integer array whose sum is equal to a given number. So here if you are giving a sum like 10, so if you are giving an array value, in that array value which pair of value will give you the output 10. That is what we need to get it as a solution. So let's see how to achieve this output. So here we need an array for it, because from the array only we are going to find the pair. So for that I am just giving the array value. So you can see the array value I am giving 2, 4, 3, 7, 1 and next is 5, 9. So you can see here you have to take only exactly two numbers. That sum should be equal to the given what sum value. For example, if it is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. Apart from that, if any other number if you are combining, it will not equal to 10. So we are going to achieve this logic. For that we need an integer and we have to give the target sum number. So as of now, I am just giving our target sum number is 10. Okay, now I am just going to create a method. So you can see here the method. I am just going to create public static void find pair. So here I am just giving the array. And next I am just giving the target number. So this function is taking two parameters. One is array, another one is a target number. So inside this, first as usual we need to check whether the array is equal to null or the array length is less than 2. Okay, because here we need pair of numbers, so at least we need two numbers. So equal to null, or we are just array is equal to null, or array is equal to array dot length is equal to less than 2. So if this comes in this condition, we are just going to print that the array must contains at least 2 characters. Okay. So next just we are going to return if this condition works. After that we are using two set functions. So here set function, one is like we are like one set collections we are using it for keep track of the number. Okay, two hash set. One is to keep track of the number and another is to store the unique pair of the numbers which satisfy this condition. So let me give two set. So it is an integer set. So I am just giving integer C number equal to new hash set. Again integer pair is equal to new hash set. So here we are having two like C numbers and pair. Now we are going to loop between the value. So in num of array. So here we are just going to, what we are going to do, it's like we are going to do a from the target sum we are going to minus the numbers. Okay, so like here we can just give int complement equal to target sum minus number. So this we are going to give. So why we are giving this statement is like this code calculate the complement. So for each element, the number in the array, this particular code will calculate the complement. So and check if the complement has been seen before. Okay, if it has, a pair is found, and if it is, and the smaller or larger the number are added to the pairs. So this is how, like, we are going to specify the order to avoid the duplicate pairs. Got it? So here what we are going to do, it's like we are going to set the just we are going to check with the complement. So how to check with the complement? So here you can see if of we have to give scene number dot contain of complement. So here you can see this int smaller equal to, as I said, the smaller and larger number. So here math function we are using, math of minimum of complement, and int larger equal to math dot maximum of now. So this, like, what we are going to see, we are going to check in the scene set. So if here, like, scene number dot contains the complement. Okay, so here what it is happens, it will check if the complement has been seen before. So if it has, a pair is found, and then the smaller and the larger number are added to the pair. So now we need to add the smaller number and larger number to the pair. So we have to give pairs dot add of smaller larger. After this, scene number dot add of number. So we are going to add with the scene number set. Now after this, what we are going to do is like we are going to compare if the pairs dot is empty. If the pairs is empty means so here it will be no pair found with the given number. So else it will print the pair number it is in the target. So so if this pair, so here we are giving, after that we are going to print the pair one by one. So for that I am using for of string So now what we are doing, it's like if the pair is found, we are printing out the pair found, and the message, if it is not found, we are just giving no pair found. So I'm just going to execute this. So you can give the target sum is 10 and 3 and 7 and 1 and 9 are the pair. Thank you for watching.